Polyban teachers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you like this video. Hi, this is Polyban teachers and I am Sagurika Banerjee. Once again I am back with another exciting episode of Daily Dose. Today's Daily Dose will include Thought of the Day, 4 vocabulary words with meanings and usage, and something more about skill development module introduced in the middle school level. So stay tuned to my channel #Polyban Teaches. Thought of the day: you have brains in your head, you have feet in your shoes, you can steer yourself in any direction you choose. I repeat the thought: you have brains in your head, you have feet in your shoes, you can steer yourself in any direction you choose. 4 vocabulary words are boon, boorish, bountiful and bourgeois. The first word is boon. It means something that is desirable, favorable or beneficial. It can be used as a noun or as an adjective. And the sentence is the donation given by the billionaire was a boon for the homeless charity. The second word is boorish. It means ill-mannered in behavior or appearance. It is an adjective and the sentence is: even though the pirate captain was brutal and boorish with his men, he was always courteous to his female captives. The next word is bountiful, which means producing in abundance. It is an adjective and the sentence is: men are trying to kill each other to gain access to bountiful gold mine. The last word is bourgeois, which means being of the property owning class. It can be used as an adjective or as a noun. And the sentence is: you should be less concerned about being bourgeois and more concerned about helping others. The next I am going to talk about in the skill development module course introduced in the middle school level is the last option, and that is travel and tourism careers. A world of discovery awaits in travel, tourism and hospitality, looking at the various opportunities and exciting career options in this field. The topics to be covered in this will be hospitality, world tourism destinations and incredible India tourism. And in case of hospitality, the students will explore the cafes and restaurant scenes, and they will get the idea of the basics of food hygiene, of cold and hot beverages. Later on, in small groups, they can use this their imagination and create their own cafes and restaurants with proper name, logo and menu. The second topic of this module will be world tourism destinations. Here the students will explore various key tourist destinations, what makes them so unique. They will also know about the cultural differences, different types of accommodation, transportation, domestic and international airports. Now the last topic to be covered in this module will be incredible India tourism. Here the students will get an idea of the different types of tourists who visit India and the economic, cultural and environmental impact they have on our nation. All these different types of module courses introduced in the middle school level will help the students to choose a better course in secondary, senior secondary and higher studies. That's all for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, that is #PolyBandTeaches, and wait for the next exciting episode of Daily Dose. Till then, bye bye.